Good morning, it's Brad at MarineMax Lake Norman. This morning I'm going to walk you through a 2022 Harris Crowne 250. You look in the aft, you see a large seating area, convertible backrest, electric switch to operate that, cup holders everywhere you look, awesome digital dash, 9-inch Simrad, easy to operate switches, charging ports for your phones. Forward, you look, you see a black acrylic table, stadium style seating, very nice front gate. Turning looking aft, you will see the SL layout, a very beautiful lighted sunroof style top, and again the SL layout in the rear. This boat is equipped with a 350 Mercury Verado engine. If you're interested in this boat, please give me a call. Again, it's Brad Lincoln, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-215-3599.